minds and bring their original ideas to life through science and innovation.
Today, our brilliant young innovators are going to showcase their unique ideas and prototypes, each one aiming to solve a real-life problem faced by society.
सोनू, मेरा बैग तो इतना भारी है, ऐसा लग रहा है रॉकेट ले जा रही हूँ।
रॉकेट नहीं पिंकी, मुझे तो लगता है ये सारा का सारा स्कूल ही इस बैग में भर के डाल दिया।
हा 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 हा, मैं हूँ तुम्हारा प्यारा बैग अंकल। सब चीज साथ में लेके चलता हूँ, कॉपी, किताबें, लंच बॉक्स, बॉटल वॉटर और तुम्हारे सपने भी दबा लेता हूँ।
अरे बैग अंकल, तुम इतने भारी क्यों हो?
इसमें मेरी क्या गलती? जब तुम लोग सारी चीजें मुझे भरोगे तो भारी हो जाऊंगा ना।
ये क्या हो रहा है यहाँ? और ये बैग अंकल भी स्टेज पे आ गए। तुम चुप रहो, मैं बताता हूँ सर जी, ये बैग अंकल हमारे सपनों को दबा रहा है। ऊपर से ये बैग इतना भारी है कि खेलने का भी मन नहीं होता। बिल्कुल सही है, ये प्रॉब्लम सिर्फ तुम्हारी नहीं, पूरी दुनिया के बच्चे इस बोझ से परेशान हैं। अगर हम सब मिलकर बदलाव करें तो
system. This system is made to stop bag thief in crowd places. It is a simple idea but can be very helpful. I made a strong metal hook that is hidden on the side of the bag. This hook can be attached to a belt, loop, dress, so that the bag stays connected to a body. I also put a wire inside the strap so that it cannot be easily cut with a blade. Now let me tell you why I made this. When we go to crowded places like buses, train, fair, market, people's bag often gets stolen. Thieves are really quick, they pull the bag and run away. This happened to me a few days ago also. Many times people don't even realize when their bag is gone. So I want to make something to stop this from happening. How it works. The hook connects the bag to a cloth. If someone tries to pull the bag, it stays with us. The strap also has a wire so that it cannot be easily cut. My smart bag lock system is small but helpful. It can help students, women and old people keep their bags safe. This is the visual.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, teachers. I am Dhairy Singh Thakur, class 8th, and my innovation is about an exciting way to tackle plastic pollution. Biodegradable plastic made from cornstarch. We all know how harmful plastic waste is for the environment. So I wanted to explore a more eco-friendly alternative. To make this plastic, I used just 3 ingredients: cornstarch, glycerin and water. First, I mixed 50 grams of cornstarch with 20 ml of glycerin and 100 ml of water. Then I heated the mixture until it thickened into a gel-like substance. After that, I poured it into mold and let it cool. And just like that, I had biodegradable plastic. The science is simple. Cornstarch is a natural polymer that breaks down quickly in the environment, unlike traditional plastic. Glycerin helps make the plastic to dissolve the ingredients. The result is a plastic that's safe for the environment and decomposes much faster than regular plastic. The biggest advantage of this biodegradable plastic is that it's 100% eco-friendly and can break down in few months. Unlike plastic, which takes hundreds of years, this could help reduce pollution and make a huge difference in protecting wildlife. In conclusion, making biodegradable plastic from cornstarch is a step towards solving the plastic waste problem. It's an exciting sustainable alternative that could be used for things like packaging or utensils in the future. Thank you for listening.